everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to install Chrome extensions on your Android. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to install Chrome extensions on your Android, then I'll show you a simple method how to do this. First of all, you have to open the Play Store and download one application which is Kiwi browser. You can see here Kiwi browser, just tap to install it. After completion of this installation, just tap to open it. Tap on continue. In top right side corner you will find three dot. Tap on that. Then tap on extensions. Tap on OK. In left side corner you will find three horizontal lines. Tap on that. Below you will find Open Chrome Web Store. Tap on this. Now from here you can download your extensions. For example, I will download as website blocker. You can see this first extension which is a website blocker. Just tap on that and tap on add to Chrome. Then tap on OK. Now you can see this extension has been added to our Chrome browser. That's it guys. So in this way you can install Chrome extensions on your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.